Calling the balls and strikes, Mr. Kent D. Young. Folks, please know that these officials are registered by the MHSAA and are hired by Spring Lake High School. Their experience and integrity qualify them to administer the rules of the game. An attitude of good sportsmanship should be upheld by all, spectators, players, and coaches, no matter what your personal feelings or loyalties may be in this contest. Thank you. Here's your game time weather report. Temperature is close to 60 degrees. Winds out of the north at about 8 miles per hour. The forecast is calling for partly cloudy skies with a 1% chance of rain. It's a beautiful day for softball. Let's get ready to rumble! Leading off for Unity Christian in the top of the first, shortstop number 1, Ashley Veldier.
Hey, start it out, Ashley. Take a swing. Good eye.
Come on, Juan.
Hey, drive through it, Ash.
Go get it.
Good job, Ash. Way to keep going.
Batting second. Second baseman number 24, Allie Lubin.
Let's go. Settle in.
She's only had 2 pitches.
Right here, ladies. Sir.
How are you?
Okay, thank you.
Hey, stay in there.
Here we go, Flynn, win it.
Batting third, the catcher, number 2, Tori Decker.
Go, T.
Good slap. Good job, Tori!
Batting fourth, the first baseman, number 22, Julia Bremler.
Hey, keep it going, Julia.
Go, be moving here. Keep the ball between your feet.
Hey, new life. Here you go.
Hey, let's go, Julia. Hey, reload here. We're all right. Reload.
Hey, push through. Push through the ball. You got it. You got it. Hey, good job, girls. One round. Nice job.
Go. Wake the bats up.
Leading off for the Lakers in the bottom of the first, center fielder, number 8, Kendra Heath.
Hey, here we go, defense.
Batting second, the pitcher, number 5, Avery Flynn.
Go 5.
Okay, here we go, defense.
Great pitch, Kaylee.
Batting third,